Hey guys, it's Disney Drachi, and today's a Wacky Packages Erasers unboxing. And today I'll be unboxing the Wacky Packages Erasers box. So let's get started. First off, it comes with 6 erasers that are visible, and then it comes with 6 mystery erasers. So in total it's 12 erasers. These are the ones that you can get. Let's open it. It's a little bit hard to open. Ugh. Sorry, I'm doing this off camera. Let's see if we can bend this. Yeah, I'll bend it. Oops. Okay. 1 second. Oops. Okay, it shows the machines on the back of this, so I'll just pop the visible ones out first. First, we have Defty instead of Hefty. So it's a criminal stealing stuff. It says crime sack. Next we have foot gushers instead of fruit gushers. If you don't know what Wacky Packages are, they are parodies of different kinds of things. So we have Apple Jerk instead of Apple Jack cereal. Okay. Dr. Pooper instead of Dr. Pepper. Tope Ramen. Don't know what the real name is, but and then Mentos instead of Mentos candy. Look at the mystery ones here. Ooh, here's some good ones. First off, we have Lay's bag of chips. Pretty cool. Lazy actually, but the real brand is Lay's. So Lazy. Next up we have Fruit Cops instead of Fruit Loops. Next we have Burpsy Cola instead of Pepsi Cola. Fancy Feet, cat food. Old El Gaso refried beans. And then the one I like the best out of all of them is Mellow Martians instead of Mellow Mars. Okay, so thanks for watching, and actually I do have some for trade if anybody has them. This one, Fancy Feet, for trade, and Old El Gaso beans, and Dr. Pooper. So if anybody has these, message me if you want any of those 3. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a magical day.